Hey there, Playmo pals. Thanks for tuning in to PlaymoAF for another unboxing and review video. Today we're going to be taking a look at some furniture for the Dollhouse-themed Playmobil sets. Let's check it
Excuse
out.
me.
Oh,
Who are you?
sorry.
I'm not gonna lie, that was a little awkward, but guys, she wasn't wrong. We are actually gonna be taking a look at some furniture today. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get this thing going. Roll the tape. And welcome back, my friends. Well, thanks for tuning in today. Like the lady in the intro said, we are going to be taking a look at some furniture for the Dollhouse themed play sets. These are very versatile furniture pieces. In fact, they can be used pretty much for any set. Probably not for the Western theme, though. But as you can see here, we have set number 70207. This is the Dollhouse furniture living room set, and quite a nice array of pieces here, and several pieces that I've never seen before, and I definitely don't have. And we do have two clickies. We have a grandfather and a young toddler, and this little rocking hobby horse there. I'm also kind of stoked that it has a laptop computer. I do have a laptop computer, but it has no, as far as I remember, it has no image on it, which unfortunately this, you can tell, possibly the grandfather has been teaching the toddler, you know, colors and shapes and sounds and stuff like that, with the little kitty cat image on the computer there. Let me see if I can, whoa, let me see if I can zoom in there. Yeah, it looks like there's two kittens there. One of them standing up and the head's, you know, kind of missing there, but yeah. And then I also like the fact that it has these two tables, and it's supposed to kind of resemble like a glass top. That's very cool. That's very modern. What I'm really excited about, though, is this really cool modern looking fireplace. I really like how the shelf wraps around it. I know that the globe is going to come in handy for some pictures, and I love that it comes with a little toy house for your kid clickies. Alright, so checking out the rest of the box here, we have another image. It's the same image as the first one on the side here, where you have the perforation for easy access to your toys. That front image is again repeated on the other side, along with the manufacturer and the distributor. The top has a picture of the grandfather playing with the toddler, and it also shows some of the working features of the furniture pieces, including the folding chair and love seat that folds into beds, and also the light up feature of the fireplace. Presented on the bottom are the standard choking hazard warnings in various languages. The back of the box presents to us all 36 pieces photographed individually. But enough of those box details, guys. Let's go ahead. Whoops. But enough of those box details, guys. Let's go ahead and tear this thing open and see what's inside. Right away, we have at least part of the fireplace. As you can see, there's a little button there, and that's what you press to get the light to work. And evidently there is no battery installed at the moment. That's something. There is no battery installed. Evidently it takes two AAA batteries, which I think we do have in the other room. We'll have to check it out and see. But this is not, as you can see, packaged at all. It's just thrown into the box. The first baggie we do find, though, is the furniture, the main furniture here. We have the couch and the chair. We do have these pieces of furniture already, actually. We do have this little living room suite here. And it does come unassembled, but you do only have two parts to worry about, and they're pretty easy to install. You just slide these in like so, and then that's how it looks like when you have it stretched out. So you can act as a bed or just like a little ottoman that's built into the chair. It just folds in like that. Here is the shelf for the entertainment center. Here's the dog bed. Here's the rocker for the toddler. Here's the shelf that goes around the fireplace. So we're gonna go ahead and flip this over, and oh, it doesn't attach. It just sits there. So yeah, here's like the VCR and stuff. It goes in here. Here's the first Playmobil door to the hutch. The other doors here. Then we have the legs to the tables. Here's our globe that came in the bag with the directions. Here are the wooden logs. Here are the quote-unquote glass tabletops. And then here are our stickers that go with the entertainment center and the laptop, respectively. Here's our little baby Clicky. Here's our little dog. And again, how come Playmobil doesn't paint the eyes? Here's the laptop with the Playmobil logo. And voila, just like that, here's the laptop with the stickers on. And here's our grandpa figure. I got a new hairpiece. Well, I think it's a hairpiece I have already, but it's a different color. I don't have the gray. And somebody called Child Protective Services. This is unsafe practices. Here's one half of the little toy house, and here's the other half. This is actually really cool. Too bad it didn't come with like miniature clicky people. It would be as if the Playmobil figures were playing with themselves. Grandpa comes with a very red cane. I wonder if that just makes it look like he's walking fast. One thing I just noticed is that the set does come with a dog leash for your dog. We do have an oversized bone, and that's always a good thing. And then finally we have these two little animal toys for our little toddler to play with. Well, there you go, guys. Our comfortable living room furniture pack. That's what it's called according to Amazon, and probably Playmobil too. I just haven't done the research yet. But yeah, this is a really cool set. I love all 36 pieces in here, and it makes it a very comfortable looking home. We do need to light up that fireplace, so let me check real quick if we do have any batteries, and I'll light it up for you. Okay guys, we are back. We do have some batteries installed in here. I know it's not very dark right now, but let's go ahead and light this up and see what we get. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. I love that flicker. That is too cool. Oh, and it just gets brighter and brighter. Did you see that? It just, gradually got brighter. That is so neat. Call Child Protective Services. This is not proper safety procedures for the child. All right, guys, I give this set a A+ all the way through. There's not one problem with it. I think it's fantastic, and it'll work perfectly for multiple sets that I own, and probably you too. Guys, that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't for more Playmobil content. You can also follow us on Instagram. Find us at playmo.af. Well, that's it for this week. I will see you again very soon. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.